recover a disabled Instagram account. How to recover a disabled Instagram account is easy and simple. Now, so there is some reasons that your account is disabled is because you violate their community guidelines, or your account got hacked and someone want to get your account disabled. So in this case, you need to go to Instagram support to submit an appeal to be able to get back your account again. So how to do that? Now, first of all, open the Chrome app. And after that, in Google, type recover Instagram account. And after that, select this under title disabled Instagram account. Now tap on it. Now, if you believe that you follow all the community guidelines, you can tap on visit this page highlighted in blue. So after you tap on it, now, as you can see, you have different options from here to select one of them or one of them. So if your account was hacked, now tap on it and now tap on next. And now, as you can see, provide your username or phone number or email of that account. So, and tap on next. And as you can see, explain to them why your account, or explain to them that your account is got hacked. Now, if you account or if your account not hacked, tap or your account is disabled, just tap my account was disabled and tap on it. Now click on next. Now, after that, provide you the username, phone number, or email of that account, and tap on next and explain to them why you believe that your account got disabled by mistake. Now, if you don't find anything related to your problem, you should go back to the help center. So after that, just quit and open Chrome again. After that, go back to the help center. Now, if you don't find anything related to your problem, now in under was this helpful section, as you can see from here, just tap on no. Now after that, tap on other. So in here, just provide some information about your problem so that they can look at it and help you to recover your disabled account. So after that, tap and submit. And this is how to recover a disabled account or Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.